guys, I'm gonna do a very quick intro because I don't know if you can hear, but the rain is extremely loud. Anyways, as you can read from the title, this is gonna be a ColourPop haul and we are doing this face of ColourPop. I bet you that when I turn off this camera, the rain is gonna slow down. I swear. So I bought everything last week and I don't even remember what I bought, so we're both gonna see what's in here. And I looked at my order history on ColourPop and the last time I bought anything was January 2019. Will you accept this rosé? Oh. Will you accept this rosé? Oh, the first thing I see is Grogu. Okay, I am not a cartoon, or I know Grogu's not a cartoon, or Disney or anime person. I know I sound like such a Grinch. And it's funny because all the people close to me are either in love with Disney, Star Wars, or Harry Potter, and I am just not, but I couldn't help it. He's too cute. And I noticed, like, when I watch beauty YouTubers videos, they always have like a handheld mirror. And I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm using my little compact mirror, or I'm using my really heavy kimchi palette to do my makeup. And I'm like, dude, why do I not have a handheld mirror? I do actually like The Mandalorian. And lately my entire TikTok has just been spamming with Pedro Pascal TikToks. Oh my gosh, it's so tiny. I didn't think it would be this tiny. I like it even more. I think this is the cutest thing. Oh my gosh, this is so much easier for me to do my makeup, and you guys can see Grogu while I'm doing it. Oh, there's a sticker. The sticker came off. Do you think that's a big enough deal where I should return it? I mean, that's not a big deal. And even though ColourPop is a cheap brand, I don't know why, but I just never want to buy it at full price. Maybe it's because they always do sales. Pressed powder. Okay, I got a eyeshadow. This is the shade Liar Liar. I love these pale pinks or highlighter shades because my go-to eyeshadow look is just brown in the crease and then this kind of color. So that's probably just all I'm gonna do today. So yeah, it looks like a highlighter shade. It's like white, pinky almost. Ooh, okay. I have two things from this Snow White collection.
I'm having trouble connecting to the internet. Take a look at the help section in your Alexa app.
So like I said, I'm not a Disney person, but these two, this blush and then this lipstick pack, they just look so pretty. Look at those little birds. So I looked through all their blushes, and the like main ones, the ones that aren't part of like a limited edition thing like this, all of them have coconut, and this was one of the rare blushes that didn't have coconut. Oh, it's soft. Duh. ColourPop's blushes and highlighters and eyeshadows that come in this thing are always so creamy. Oh, that's so pretty. Yeah, it's kind of like a blush highlighter. There is like a little bit of gold glitter in there, which kind of scares me. Anyways, so I saw a girl using this set on ColourPop's Instagram. Immediately sold me. I was just like, oh my gosh, that's such a beautiful color. It's not magenta, but it's more like a plum. I mean, it looks like the Evil Witch. That's what she's called, right? The Evil Witch? Is it the Evil Witch? The Evil Witch. The Dark Witch. No, I think it's the Evil Witch. The Step Witch. So it says oh, Evil Queen. Oh, Evil Witch. So there's Evil Queen Cream Luxe Lipstick, Jealous Much Lippie Pencil, and Queen G Luxe Lip Gloss. Oh my gosh. I've been looking for a perfect magenta lip liner. Even though I gave up on finding my perfect magenta lipstick, I still never found an amazing magenta lip liner, but this is it. Now we're gonna swatch Evil Queen. I don't know if you guys can see all the tiny apples. That is super cute. And then we have the gloss in Queen G. Oh, that's so pretty. Next we have a Lippie Pencil. I wanted to, oh wait, no, this is, wait, Lippie Pencil, yeah. And then I have a Lippie Stix. I wanted to put this in my Ulta nude lipstick haul, but Ulta doesn't sell this shade. This would have been in my Ulta nude lipstick haul if they had this shade. So I got their lip liner in BFF3 and then their Lippie Stix Stix. Lippie Stix in Dream Date. Is this what their Lippie Stix looks like? Doesn't it come in like a white packaging? Am I crazy? Since ColourPop doesn't sell my favorite nude lipstick, and hopefully if I really like this, hopefully they don't magically discontinue their Lippie Stix. Yeah, see, this looks perfect. This is their lip liner in BFF3. Okay, we got some lashes. Of course I got the one that's called Queenie. Did I do that because of the evil queen? Or did I do that because they look natural? And then last but not least, we got a sponge. So all the sponges I have like a little straight edge. I have my beauty blender, but the tip is very sharp compared to my beauty blender. I have no idea if they changed their fabric or formula, or if the Eco one is completely different than their regular pink one, because this just, it doesn't work the same as the pink one. Look how pointy the ColourPop one is compared to the beauty blender. Okay, so I'm gonna run this underwater and wash it so we can start our makeup look. Look, she got really nice and thick. She got a thick booty. For today, I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place foundation in Cebu. I'm still sad that Grogu's little thing chipped. I think it was like 10 bucks for the mirror. What, $7? Oh, yeah. I remember this foundation being really thick. Okay, the sponge is amazing. I can't tell if it's the sponge or the foundation, but the sponge isn't watering it down. Some sponges, like I just got an EXO Beauty one, and it kind of waters it down, if that makes sense. I'm gonna have to try the EXO Beauty one with this foundation to make sure it's the sponge. I look like a ghost. Just the feel of it is nice and firm. I love it when girls are doing their foundation and they get here and they start talking like this. I think this is my firmest sponge I've ever had, and that's not a bad thing. It just feels firm, and it doesn't seem to be soaking up a crazy amount of product. Okay, the sponge so far is a win. I like how firm it is. I like the color. I like that it's bouncy. I like the shape. I mean, anything squishy I love, duh. Okay, so we're keeping it simple for the eyes today. The main focus is gonna be that one eyeshadow I got. I looked through all their eyeshadows and that was the only one that looked nice to me. So I'm gonna go in with a regular light and dark brown for the outer crease. These are just Makeup Geek ones. Let's pretend those are from ColourPop. I'm debating on cutting my crease, but I'm super scared because it's been years since I cut my crease. And plus I want to cut my crease so that there's more space for the eyeshadow to pop so you guys can see what it looks like. Even though I'm sure a lot of people already have all the things I just bought. There just hasn't been any big ColourPop launches that I really like. They push out so many launches. I swear it's like every other day. That was kind of a turnoff. It started feeling cheap. It just feels more exciting when a brand launches something for the first time in like a few months. You know, like you get excited. You're like, oh my gosh, there's a new eyeliner from Urban Decay coming out, or a new cream blush from Stila. Yeah, my point was that's kind of why I haven't really bought anything from ColourPop in a while, because there's just way too much going on. So when they had their 30% off, I was like, okay, now's the chance where I'd be willing to spend some money on ColourPop. I am really enjoying this mirror though. Every time I called him Baby Yoda, my husband would be like, his name's Grogu. Hey, even in an interview, Pedro Pascal called him Baby Yoda, so.
Yes, Baby Yoda is there.
And
there's two different versions of, I can't believe I said Baby Yoda.
Okay, are we ready to cut the crease? I don't even remember what brushes I would use. I know I would always use my Anastasia No. 3 brush to clean up the crease. I'm just gonna use this Urban Decay one. Wish me luck. I feel like this crease cutting trend is gone, but for me, it will never be gone because of my hooded eyes. Okay, I'm gonna do this off camera because I know this is gonna take forever. Ooh, that's really pretty on the lids. I wonder what that would look like as an actual highlight. I'm debating if I should do that or if it would be way too glittery. No, the blush is already glittery, so maybe for another rainy day. Literally raining. San Diego feels like it's never going to stop. I'm gonna clean that up with the crease, but I just wanted you guys to see the color or the shade. Again, I think the shade has been here for a long time, so you've probably seen the shade. We're gonna stick to the ColourPop theme. I'm going in with their liquid liner. This is actually a good liquid liner. So we are now gonna try some ColourPop lashes. Ooh. That was a weird ooh. And we are back with my Exo Beauty lash tweezers that have been saving me. They look so, I don't know why I want to say real. Like it looks like real hair because they're so like thin and fluffy. Okay, now with both of them on, I don't know why they kind of look like windmills. It looks like I have spiders on my eyes. So I still never figured out how to use this formula. I'm going to be very, very gentle because again, I am not a blush person. And there's some gold glitter in here. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I actually really like that. Wow, that's rare that I would say that about a blush. Almost on the verge of a lot of blush for me. But I think it's obvious, right? Can you see in the camera that this has blush and this doesn't? The color's nice and like raspberry. It's pink, but it's not a baby pink. It's like a pink red, almost berry. But it's not a purple berry. Oh, see, that's a lot compared to this. Okay, let me try a transfer. See, it's like a glowy blush. If you do go up close, you can see all the small, tiny gold glitters. Should I even put on highlighter if this is shiny? No, you know what? I like it like that. We don't need highlighter today. So again, this is BFF3. It's creamy, but it's not too creamy. If you watched my nude lipstick haul before this, you'll see that the NYX lip liner was super creamy. It's in the middle of a regular lip pencil, the wooden ones where you have to like tug, but it's not super creamy like the NYX one I just used. Again, we are going in with Dream Date. Oh, that's nice and creamy. I wish I had this for my last video. Because yes, I love this nude. Very nice and moisturizing. This is my first Lippie Stix. And these have been out since forever. Okay, so that's our first lipstick shade. I swear this whole overdrawing slash really dark brown lip liner plus nude lipstick is really just giving me 90s Pamela Anderson vibes. Okay, last but not least, we have the whole lipstick set. Yep, that's already gonna be my favorite magenta lip liner for the million magenta lipsticks I have. Okay, wow, I am thoroughly impressed with everything I've tried out today. Ooh, these lips. Yeah, they're looking very evil queen. And it didn't get on my teeth. Amazing. Okay, I don't even want to try the fun lip gloss because this looks so pretty. Okay, let's just take a moment to look at those lips. They are not too purpley. They're not magenta. They're not too red. I love that color. That's a really pretty color. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful combo. Look how big it's making my lips look. Can you tell? Like, can you see all the blue and... I mean, the shine's obviously there. Now it's getting in my teeth. It's because of the lip gloss. Can you hear that rain? So I had to take out a chunk load of that lipstick to get it off of my teeth. Like I had to... I forgot what that's called. I want to say plot and plot it and plop. Oh my gosh. I'm always forgetting something in my videos. Okay guys, let's do a quick review. Okay, let's start with Mr. Grogu here. 9 out of 10. I would give it a 10 out of 10 if this wasn't chipped. I like that it's really small. I think it's a perfect length right here to hold, perfect size. I can see my entire face, but it's not heavy. Next we have a sponge, maybe a 9 out of 10. It's my heaviest sponge, like it's very dense, but it doesn't pick up everything. I love this shape. I love that this is pointier than the Beauty Blender one. I love that it's pink and I love that it's flat right here. It just looks like a sponge that I would want to be displayed. 9 out of 10 because I feel like this isn't the perfect sponge, but it's almost there. Falsies, also 9 out of 10. It would be a 10 out of 10 if the band was a little bit thinner. I'm still not amazing at putting on lashes. It was thick, but not too thick. Like I could still handle them. As you can see, it was still easy for me to put on. It's just, I would just like a little thinner band. Eyeshadow, I don't know how to rate an eyeshadow. Like it's an eyeshadow, I love the color. Blush, I want to give it like an, why would I give it an 8? It's really good. I'll give it a 9. I would give it a 10 out of 10 if it didn't have that gold glitter. I'm never a fan of blushes, but I do really like this, so that's a 9 out of 10. Their lip liners, it's the same problem as my NYX lip liners. I wish it was a little bit drier just so it didn't slip and slide everywhere, but at least I found my perfect magenta lip liner shade. So yeah, like a Let's just say I'm giving all of these a 9 out of 10, okay? Same with the Lippie Stix. Very nice and moisturizing. Love the nude. Same with this Evil Queen lipstick. I love this color. I love the whole combo with the lip gloss. I may be giving the lip gloss an 8 out of 10 just because it's making my lips more watery. Now the lipstick is getting on my teeth. I think it's a beautiful, amazing, perfect. Holy crap. Can you calm your tits with the rain, San Diego? I think the verdict is everything is 9 out of 10. It's pretty hard for anything to be a 10 out of 10. The only time I would rate something a 10 out of 10 is if it was a holy grail. Okay guys, that is it for my video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully when I edit this, it's not too distracting. I apologize. I can't control the rain. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.